Hey everyone, friends, Veloz here. Today I'll show you how to customize the F3 menu in Minecraft 1, 21.9 and above. So to do this, we need to press the F3 button. I drew the chat to make it clearer, then press F. So if I press F3 and then F6, this thing opens up there. And as you can see, we have everything available in the overlay. You can set certain things to always display. For example, GPU utilization isn't showing. Let me turn everything off to make it clearer for you. There. And so you can start with this. There's also a performance profile. But that's like this. We enable default profile and everything gets cleared. And you can set up only what you need here. For example, I want to know how much memory is loaded in the overlay. I press F3, the overlay, right? Or for example, FPS can also be shown, right? Also on F3 and bio, yeah, on F3. I click OK. I press F3 and it shows only what I need. That's all. This was Valor's. Like and subscribe to the channel. Have a good life, everyone. Good luck, everyone. Bye, everyone.